In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause your Shopify store in 2025 with a step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're taking a break from your business or need to make some changes behind the scenes, pausing your Shopify store can be an effective way to take a temporary step back without closing it completely. Let's dive in and I'll guide you through the full process. First, you'll want to go to the Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, locate and click on the My Store or Home page. This is the starting point where you access your store's management settings. Make sure you're logged into your Shopify account to proceed smoothly. Next, navigate towards the bottom left-hand corner of your Shopify dashboard where you'll find the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will open a new page with several tabs. Here you manage everything from payment options to store details. It may look like numerous options, but today we'll focus primarily on your store plan. Once you're in the Settings area, click on the Plan tab. This section contains all the information about your current subscription, billing cycle, and other related details. It's important to be in this section as it directly relates to making changes to your store's status. Proceed by clicking on Cancel Plan. Now don't worry, canceling here doesn't mean shutting down your store permanently. It just leads you to more options. Shopify sometimes makes this sound a bit alarming, but this is a necessary step to progress further. Once you've opted to cancel the plan, you'll see an option that reads, Switch to Pause and Build. Click on that. This selection helps transition your store into a paused state while allowing you to continue working on it. It's a budget-friendly solution, keeping your store inactive for customers, yet accessible for you to make changes and updates. Take a moment here and double-check all the options and read the terms associated with pausing. Though pausing means significantly reduced subscription fees, the store won't be live for browsing or shopping. It is paramount that you're aware of this trade-off before officially proceeding. And there you have it. You've now paused your Shopify store. Remember, pausing is a temporary state, and whenever you're ready to resume business, you can easily reactivate your store through the same settings. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify's customer support as they're quite helpful with such matters. Thanks for following along. I hope you found this tutorial clear and informative. Feel free to subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your e-commerce experience. Until next time, take care and keep building.